Topic 8: Multiculturalism in the Philippines. Multiculturalism is fundamental to our belief that all citizens are equal. According to Cornelio 2020, the cultural diversity of the Philippines has had a significant impact on the development of the country. The classification and stratification of ethnic people based on physical features, social class, religion, language, and geopolitical location have shaped ethnic, racial, and national categories in the Philippines. For subsector outcome 1, different segments of society must have a general consciousness that belong to a national community. Filipino needs a stronger awareness of their diverse cultures to integrate their heritage into their lives and contribute to national development. Society must have recognized a shared national identity and to be committed to preserving their heritage. This requires mechanisms like historical markers and database of cultural assets. Valuing cultural diversity involves recognizing, protecting, safeguarding, and protecting it. To achieve this, the following strategy will be implemented: develop, produce, disseminate, and open access to information about Filipino culture. Institutionalize and intensify heritage conversation plans and programs. Establish knowledge development center and schools for living traditions for building the capacities of the Filipinos. Expand inclusive culture structures as civic space for dialogue and cultural exchange. For subsector outcome 2, instilling values for the common good into the consciousness of all citizens will have provide the needed positive and transformative change that will eventually lead to a high trust society. Determine a set of core values that foster a common good. Utilize various channels of values inclusion to reach all community members. Increase government efforts for promoting values that foster common good, the common good. Mainstream cultural, educational in the basic, technical, vocational, and higher education system. Let's move on to the subsector outcome 3. A culture of creative excellence needs to permit various levels of public consciousness as the foundation of a globally competitive knowledge economy. Boost the development of Filipino creativity as a tool for a cohesion and impetus for a culture-based industry and creative economy. Build appreciation of Filipino creativity. Let's move on to the last part, the subsector outcome 4. The government plays a crucial role in association cultural development by providing resources for the prevention and growth of the Philippine culture and exploration of its history. In It can ensure the development of cultural initiative and historical understanding. Additionally, local government can support community efforts to integrate culture into local development plans. These involve promoting cultural activities, preserving historical sites, and fostering community participations. Government involved Government involvement can enhance national identity and cultural pride. By supporting both national and local cultural initiatives, the government helps sustain and enrich the country's heritage. Collaborative efforts between national and local governments are essential for comprehensive and natural development. According to Article 14, Section 14 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, the state shall foster the prevention, enrich, and dynamic evolution of a Filipino culture, national culture based on the principle of unity in diversity, in a climate of free artistic and intellectual expression. In RA 8371, the Indigenous Peoples' Right Act of 1997, an act to recognize, protect, and promote the right of indigenous cultural communities or indigenous peoples, creating a national commission on indigenous peoples, establishing, implementing mechanisms, appropriating funds, therefore, and for other purposes.